Welcome to Pro Teacher Academy, and today our topic is algebraic notation with multiplying terms. Today we will learn to simplify algebraic expressions involving multiplication. In algebra, the multiplication sign is omitted and numbers are placed in front of letters, as you can see in the example. For example, A multiplied by B will be written as AB only, and P multiplied by Q multiplied by R will be written as PQR without any multiplication symbol or space. First, you need to multiply the numbers and you need to multiply the variables later in algebraic expressions. As you can see here, 2A multiplied by 4B. To solve this, you need to separate 2A as 2 multiplied by A, then multiplication symbol will remain the same, and then 4 multiplied by B. Then you need to write the numbers together as 2 multiplied by 4 and variables together as A multiplied by B. In third step, you will write 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8, and A multiplied by B, that is AB. So your answer will be 8AB. Now let's see another example and see the vocabulary associated with it. If you have same letters in variables like A multiplied by A, you are not supposed to repeat them. You can write them as A2, and which is also called A square. Similarly, we have 3 times A, that is A multiplied by A multiplied by A will be written as A3, and we call it cube. A cubes, A square, A cubes. Now let's practice some questions. Can you simplify the following using algebraic notations? Give it a try and share your answers in the comments. I hope you have solved them. Now let me show you the answer key. So, 4 multiplied by A will be written as 4A, B multiplied by C will be written as PC, 5C multiplied by 3 will be written as 5 3s are 15 and variable C, 15C. Similarly, 5D multiplied by 2A will be written as 5 2s are 10 and D and E will be written together, 10DE. FGH will be written all together because we do not write multiplication symbol in between. If you have the same letter as variable, 3 times you will write it as I cube. Now here's a challenging question. Write down expressions for the area of the following shapes. Can you find the area of the following shapes? Now let's see how to find the area. You simply have to multiply 6 with 4 and then you have to multiply the variables. So 6 scores are 24 and AB will be written as AB square. Similarly, in question 2, you will multiply 5 with 4, that is 5 4s are 20. So 5 4s are 20 and A square plus 1 more A will be A cube. I hope you have learned something new today. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, you can share in the comment box. I'm always open to comments and suggestions. Thank you.